Good morning. This is Don Martin. I'm with thereasonablerealtor.com. Thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website, it's a blog, it's a way of life. It's a way for you to get your house on the flat fee MLS listed as well. Uh, but many of you are out there, maybe you're Googling or Yahooing or looking around thinking about getting some information on for sale by owner, selling your own house, putting it on the MLS. MLS is always handled, state licenses are handled statewide. There are places where you can see an ad for an MLS listing site, and it's a big national map. What you'll do is you'll pick your state and you'll pay them some money, and then they'll take part of that money and they'll go back to the state where you came from and get an MLS listing broker, which is what I am in Tennessee. Maybe you're in Franklin, Tennessee right now. Franklin, Tennessee, I am the licensed and certified flat fee listing broker for Franklin and all places in Tennessee. Franklin, Tennessee is a wonderful place. Uh, I can imagine if you're sitting there wanting to know something more about this process, you wonder where to go. If you go to thereasonablerealtor.com, and I did put down below a link so that you can make it easy on yourself, go there. In fact, pull down in the services menu. Uh, there is a place to go ahead and list your own house or find out more about it. But that's the place to start. You're going to get my email address. You're going to get my phone number. You can call me. You can ask me 100 questions or 1,000 questions. I've been doing this about 36 years, so I'm okay with questions. At any rate, Franklin, you've got a place. You got, as they say, you've got a friend in real estate. Call me. I will be very happy to help.